Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Charles Schwab Roth IRA. First, you'll want to understand the eligibility requirements for a Roth IRA, including income limits. Next, gather all your personal and financial details, such as your social security number and bank account information. Finally, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance to help you choose the right strategy for your new account. This preparation makes the application process much smoother. Once you're ready, head over to the Charles Schwab website. Look for the Open an Account option, usually prominent on their homepage. From there, you'll select the Roth IRA as your desired account type. Carefully fill out the online application, providing all requested personal and financial details. Double-check everything before submitting to ensure accuracy and avoid any delays in opening your account. After your account is approved, the next step is to fund it. You can typically transfer money from a linked bank account or another brokerage. Once funded, you'll choose your investments. Charles Schwab offers a wide range of options, including exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, and individual stocks. Take time to select investments that align with your financial goals and personal risk tolerance. A Roth IRA offers significant advantages, primarily tax-free withdrawals in retirement, provided you meet certain conditions. You can contribute up to $7,000 annually if you are under 50 years old, with higher limits for those 50 and over. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Starting early with a Roth IRA can truly make a difference for your financial future. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.